it's still, no, it's still down. All right, you guys. So as you can see, we are still on. So we might have a winner here. Like, I'm just saying. Oh my God, this water. Hold on. All right, you guys. So welcome back to my channel. I have this wonderful wig from Sunber. This is a 26-inch. 13x4 stock wig. The lace is really soft. It's like butter, so you definitely have to be careful with this lace because you can rip it like I did in this video, and you're gonna see. So this is gonna be a quick install because we are going to do a glue test as well. So I'm gonna just go ahead and bleach these knots. I'm using 30 volume developer with quick blue, and I'm applying it to the lace. I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes just to make sure that the knots are bleached. I'm gonna wash it, tone it with purple shampoo, and style it. And I just styled it straight because I was just wearing straight hair. I was going to Vegas and I just needed something quick to put on. So I already did my ball cap, and I am taking my alcohol to clean my hairline because we are using actual lace glue to adhere this, and I want it to stay down as long as it can. So I want to make sure that my skin is clean from all the debris and everything like that. This wig did come with 4 combs and adjustable straps. So yeah, you definitely don't need an elastic band, but if you are the type that like elastic band, you could definitely add one to this. So I'm just basically, you know, sizing the wig to my hairline and seeing how we're going to do this. So the wig that I'm going to use is Boho Max. This is a maximum hold silicone adhesive. It's good for about 4 weeks. It's waterproof and it's latex free. So this is my first time using it. I've had this since it dropped, and this is literally the first time I'm using it. It's probably been out like a year, and it's just been in my little workroom without me using it. So this glue is super sticky. Like, oh my God, like you guys definitely have to be careful with this. I would not suggest you like literally slap this on your hair because it's super sticky. It has a strong hold, and I was trying to use the wand to do the application, but it's so stringy and sticky that it kind of gets messy. So what I did was the first go around I was using a wand, and then I got a popsicle stick from my waxing kit, and then I was just spreading it out that way. Then I actually got the popsicle stick, and I was putting the glue on the popsicle stick, and then I was spreading it out that way. I did at least 2 layers of this. You want to be careful to not press super hard on the glue because it will turn white. All right, but you want thin layers because you do not want it thick, because if it's thick it will seep through your lace, and that kind of happened to me in certain areas. So like I said, this was my first time using this glue, and you learn from it. All right, so I have the glue, 2 layers of glue down. I waited a minute or so to like kind of let it get tacky. You saw me put the little what was that called, a makeup brush on it to see if it was sticky. It was. I pulled it off, and now I'm applying my lace down. Make sure before you push your lace into your glue that it's sitting where you want it to sit. I highly would suggest you pull your lace in front of the glue, your hairline in front of the glue, and then you cut into your kind of hairline. Don't pull it all the way up, just a little bit, because you want to make sure that your lace is fully covering where you put that glue, okay? Because this glue, alcohol is not going to clean it up at all. Alcohol is not going to budge it. I tried to remove it with alcohol. It did not work. Okay, so you definitely want to be careful, and you want to be really neat when it comes to this application. So I didn't pull my lace too far up. I mean, as far as I should have, but it was okay because I again, trial run. So I'm just cutting the lace off, and I am going to just do my baby hairs. So the lace was a little bit light for me, so I did use my Ruby Kisses to darken the lace up to match my skin tone. And I'm just gonna pull some hairs out so I could do baby hairs. I did purchase the AIYANYI class, so I did see him do the little baby hairs with the the flat irons, and I love that method. Like, that method is really bomb. So I started doing it after I seen it, because girl, I spent that coin, and I'm going to do all of the little tips that he got that I don't already do. You feel me? So I am going to pluck my baby hairs just to make them a little bit thinner, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my razor and cut my baby hair and just basically curl my hairline. Ooh, this little flat iron was hot. Okay, I got this flat iron in a set, but I will link something that's similar to this down below. You don't need a super bomb flat iron. You just need something cheap and small. It'll do the job, okay? So in order to lay the baby hairs down, I am going to use my baby hair brush and some spritz. That's all that's needed for this, okay? It will get the job done. It will not leave your hairline sticky. It will not lift up your hairline like some mousse. Okay, you do not need to use gel, just a little bit of hairspray. That's going to lay these baby hairs down and you will be good. So I'm just going to play with them until I get them the way that I want them. Okay, you guys, so when I was plucking, I actually plucked a hole into it, so definitely be careful because this lace is definitely, it's not soft, but it's not the typical Swiss, you know, durable. So like it's in between. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of black eyeshadow right there to conceal that, so it'll just look like a perfect part. And when I installed this, I didn't let it fully cure before, well, not fully cure, but fully get sticky before I laid my lace down. So it kind of shifted back a little bit, but it's tight. It's really tight. Like, it's a different hold than Boho Active and Boho Original. Like, it's so different. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish my hair. I do have somewhere to go. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after it's done, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back in a couple of days and we're gonna do a water test. That's if this wig is still on. If it's not, I'll still come back and talk to you guys and tell y'all my thoughts. But I'm gonna do a water test in a couple of days because I am going on vacation and I do want to wear a bomb curly unit because braids are not for me. Oh my god, I can't get with the braids because every time I wear braids I break out from the hair. So I'm allergic, or the chemicals on that hair is a no-go. But anyway, that's I will be back and we'll do a water test with each other so we can see if this is vacation approved. Like, girl. Alright, you guys, sorry about the lighting. I'm in my bathroom and I wanted to show you my wig after 4 days. Okay, so this is what we looking like. It's definitely time to come off. It does, the adherence does feel different versus me using liquid gold, Boho Active and Boho Extreme. So Boho Max definitely feels different once it's like cured, right? So again, this is my hairline. And I'm ready to take it off. So I'm in my bathroom because I am going to basically wet my hairline with you guys and to see if it's actually working. All right, so if it does not come off, I'm going to shampoo the hairline, the front of the hairline as well. And if it does not come off, then I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to show you guys how I remove it too. So the remover that I have is not from Boho, but it should work. So I'm just gonna lean in the bathtub and do this because I don't feel like fully getting in because I got to make wigs. So I am gonna shampoo the front of my hairline with some Pantene. I am nervous about my camera being right here. I'm so nervous. Okay. So when putting the water on, I was really I made sure that my hairline was super saturated, and I was just focusing the water on the front of the hairline because that's where the glue is located. And I just want to make sure that it was, you know, like the water was in there good before I even tried to, you know, pull it, because you see me pulling it and it's not budging at all. And I was like, okay.
Okay. This thing is still down, and I'm tugging on it. This is, the lace is real soft, so I don't want to tug too hard. Oh my god. The stuff we do for YouTube, I do not want to tug too hard, so I'm going to shampoo it at this point.
So now we're shampooing, and I'm focusing on the hairline without being too rough again, because lace girl here is very soft, and I do not want to rip this anymore because this wig was bomb and I definitely was going to put it back on. Okay, so I'm just massaging the soap, just trying to see if that'll come up, because when you typically use white glues, water-based glues, when you shampoo it, it typically comes up. So I'm going to shampoo it thoroughly to see if it comes up, and I'm gonna gently pull it as well, and it did not. It's still, no, it's still down. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we are still on. So we might have a winner here. Like, I'm just saying, oh my god, this water, hold on. So I was just gonna comb out my hair because I didn't want it to get tangled when it dried. You know, just to prepare it, because I did wash it and put it back on. But yeah, so I was just going to comb it out, and the hair just, you know, reverted back. I just washed it and deep conditioned it in silicone mix, and it was a bomb. So to remove my wig, I use C22 solvent. You can get this off of Amazon. You can get this at your local beauty supply. And I sprayed this thoroughly on the hairline and massaged it in and left it sitting for about maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. And my wig lifted quick, okay? Like, yes, I'm going to get another bottle, because honestly, I actually like the application of the silicone based glues a lot better, because the cleanup is so better than you having your water based glues. And I just prefer that cleanup more, because that solvent just demolished it. And I've used this solvent on like Boho Active and Boho Extreme, and the cleanup is still horrible when it comes to time to take off my wig. But this one, like, the solvent melted that adhesive, and it was basically easy for me to wipe off. I did have a little bit of residue on the little tiny parts of my hair, or like a little bit of my sideburns from the glue, and all I did was spray it with the solvent, take a little comb, rat tail comb, and comb it out gently, and it came off. Now this video right here is sped up, so it do look like I'm kind of being rough, but I was being soft when I was pulling it, like basically pulling it up. I ain't gonna lie, I was trying to get this thing off, but it came off, and I was totally happy with the results. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about this wig that I got from Sunber and the glue method that I use. Okay, I put the glue up. So you guys know I use Boho Max to adhere my wig. This hair is so soft. Oh my god, it was so soft. The lace is like butter, like it really melted in. I'm new to using silicone based glues. Silicone based glues are the clear glues, so I'm really new to using those. So my application wasn't the best, but like with practice I'm gonna get better, right? So I definitely recommend you guys trying this hair. This is 26 inches of body wave, and the lace is so bomb. Okay, so the glue is waterproof, definitely is waterproof. And I'm gonna say that because it is a silicone based glue. So you have water based glues, which are the white glues that mostly everybody use, and then you'll have silicone based glues, which are the clear glues that everybody use. The white glues tends to, you know, peel if you wet it, if you sweat, if your oils interact with it, you'll tend to, you know, have liftage. It wouldn't last as long. Silicone based glues are water resistant because it's kind of like plastic, right? So you put in a plastic barrier on your hairline, which will protect it from water. Are interested in this wig that I have from Sunber? Let me know. And I will also link all the information to this wig down below in the description box for you guys with a coupon code so you can save a little money. You hear me? All right, you guys. So again, until next time, bye, best friends.